Hi guys, finally we are about to make drone content after a while, which I apologize as I haven't posted any drone videos recently, but the weather, too much hours at work and my visit in London pushed me back off my schedule. As you saw from the title, I'm about to show you how to emulate active track on your Dji Mini 2 with Quickshots, as the Dji Mini 2 doesn't have that option available. And the reason behind it is some people say it because it doesn't got obstacle avoidance sensors, which I totally understand. Let's dive into the video and I will show you how you can do that and give you also some tips to keep in mind if you want to use this method, because nobody wants to rely on other people to get your shot if you are alone in a nice place. This is the area we are about to do it, which is not great as there are many obstacles, meaning that you need to do it in a clear area with no building or trees around you to avoid interference or crash your drone. Before I demonstrate how this works, let me be clear, this is not always perfect. It's a workaround. That's why it's called active track hack. So how does it work is you need to be going in a straight line, having the drone to your left or right, just a bit behind your shoulder. Then you go to Quickshots and select circle or helix. And here is the important part that you need to have in mind. You need to change the arrow towards the direction that you want it to track you, otherwise it won't work. So when you're ready, start working in a steady slow pace. Go in a straight line and pay attention on your drone. And you will now notice that the drone acts as an active track flying next to you. So how is this making the drone to active track you? Well, the drone is trying to go in a circle while it's in quick shots and it wants to fly around you. So by moving forward and having the drone slightly behind you, it can't really get in front of you. If you stop whatsoever, it will act as normal and finish the circle. But because you are ahead of it, it looks like it's active tracking you while it tries to pass you. So that's about it guys, be cautious. And bear in mind, it will not always tracking you. If you go too fast, it will lose focus. Play around with it and let me know how it went. Until next time, stick around and I will be posting a few of my London vlogs, which on my last day there, I flew my drone even if I wasn't allowed and I got a warning from the police. I will be posting drone videos soon, so stay tuned. I will see you on the next one.